Okay, so I understand that having this hat on kind of shields my eyes a little bit, but I haven't gotten a haircut in like 3 months. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nest Days here. I wanted to just introduce the channel, show you guys my face, because I know a lot of people are like, why you never show your face? A lot of people, meaning family members, because I don't actually have a lot of subscribers. But I want to share with you guys my year before this whole pandemic started. Most of my 2019, where I got the chance to travel to a lot of cool countries and experience different cultures. I'm hoping that 2021 or the end of 2020 will be a little bit different. I had a few trips planned, but as you know, I had to cancel all of them. So here's to hoping that soon all of us that like to travel and get some cool shots and videos overseas or different states and whatever, hopefully things go back to normal soon. Of course, with the priority of everybody staying safe. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for supporting my stuff, and here's the video.
The number of confirmed cases worldwide now at 1.5 million. In this country, nearly 15,000 people have lost their lives.
It seems like this pandemic is all we hear about lately. And not too long ago, it was a much simpler time. Welcome to Tampa, Florida. Before traveling, this is where everything started. This is where I usually shoot a lot of content with a lot of videos. And I was basically asking myself when I went on a shoot with a friend, why I even continue to create. But I came to the realization little by little that I wanted to create just for myself, just for me. And I like what I do. It's my therapy, basically. But this isn't a video about Tampa. This is a video about where I was in 2019. Everything started in Paris. This was by far one of the best experiences of my life. There are no words to describe this city. After Paris, we headed over to Rome. We got to see the Colosseum, the Vatican. A few months later, we went ahead and went to Punta Cana. And then after that, went to Puerto Rico. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button if you liked what you saw.